Hey, let's go through this beautiful businesswoman, office secretary, or whatever you name it. It's as you can see, it's pretty nice, clean model. It's fully rigged, like the face is rigged, also like the whole body, and we have like 20 poses ready for you, which you can use for the web or for the apps or whatever you want to. It's pretty cool. Let's jump to the Blender file. Here you can see the poses. It's here. The cool thing is that it's rigged with Auto Rig Pro, meaning like it's super easy to use in Unreal, Unity, or in any other tool you decide to, because you can, just export them, put it into Houdini, for example, and use it as a, walking characters. So yeah, also here are the poses. The cool thing is that you can combine, like different facial expressions with the poses. This is pretty cool. See? So you don't have to make them from scratch. This is how you can combine them. Yeah, so then also let me show you really briefly also GLB files, because also there are like FBX files, GLB files, and also OBJ. Let me go to the viewer here. Let me open the GLB, which is in A pose. It's super nice, pretty, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Also you can go and here, don't worry, now you can use the poses here. It's basically like animation is exported also, so then you can easily just use it. Just be sure that you have properly set all the stuff, and then you can easily use it in the games, on website, and whatever you decide to. Yeah, that was it. Let me also show you like how beautiful the mesh is. You can see it's nicely polygon. It can be even a little bit simplified if you need it for the game. But yeah, this is it. This is how it looks like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You will see the links in the description. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.